Goan capital Panaji wears a festive look as the 44th edition of International Film Festival of India unfolds today amidst mesmerizing scenic beauty of the beach state of Goa. Few of the best award-winning films will be screened during this film festival. Celebrities, media people, cine lovers from across the world are expected to congregate in large numbers in this 10-day-long film festival. This year, the International Film Festival of India will be inaugurated by the Academy Award-winning Hollywood actress Susan Sarandon. The actress will be accompanied by critically acclaimed Iranian director, producer and screenwriter Majid Majidi and Polish filmmaker Agnieszka Holland. Besides this, evergreen actress Rekha, world-famous singer Asha Bhosle, legendary actor Manoj Kumar and actor-cum-filmmaker Kamal Hassan will be among the luminaries from the B-Town, who will grace the inauguration occasion. The then Director of Directorate of Film Festivals, S.M. Khan, has taken the International Film Festival of India to various corners of the world and even brought the best directed film from the various parts of the world to India.
Now you see, IFFI is one of the very important festivals on the map of world cinema, and in India it has progressed very well. In fact, all other film festivals in India have come up from IFFI. So IFFI I always call as mother of film festivals in India. As far as the international presence is concerned, this has been always there, and every time we get new eminent film personalities from all over the world. The most important thing which I wish IFFI will get someday is that the best of world cinema should be released in IFFI.
The Lifetime Achievement Award for 2013 would be given to renowned Czech filmmaker Jiří Menzel. Menzel's film The Don Juans will also be the opening film of the 10-day festival. As many as 15 films from around the world will compete for the coveted Golden Peacock Award at the festival, with the international competition features with prize money amounting to a total of 13.2 crore rupees. The festival will close with a film portraying Nelson Mandela's life journey, Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom, directed by Justin Chadwick. With Bureau Inputs, Jasina's report, DD News.